So welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Agile Tech. My name is Agile Andy, and today we'll be doing two things on the batch scripting. This is my notepad, and what we'll be doing is how we can impute lines in the batch scripting. And when you click on you enter, it brings up other output for you. We'll be doing that, and two, we'll be doing color codes using the batch scripting. Yes, I've talked about that in the command line. You can check my other videos how we can build color codes in the command line, but now we want to look at it in the batch scripting. So two things we're going to do. So the first one, open a notepad. For those who don't know how to open a notepad, you come here and then you search for notepad. You search for notepad here. Okay, so that's that. So I'll start with echo off, and I'm going to start with title because we want to have a title, and the title of my work is color codes, and output. Okay, so what do we do here? So to get this, we'll start here with echo. I want you to have an echo, and what is the echo? Is this is the output is welcome to batch scripting. I'll have a pause. Okay, it's going to be a pause. The next one is echo. Displaying output. I'll have a pause again. The next one is echo, and this is the second command, and then we'll have a final pause. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to save it, and I'll save it as output display .bat. I'm going to change this to answer. Of course, the session is on bat. I have this, okay? So I'm going to close this. Going to locate where it is here. Okay, so I have it here. Alright, so okay, go back to it. Yeah, output display. Yeah, so I'm going to open this. Now what you have is you can see that color code and command is the title here. Here you see welcome to batch scripting. If I click on enter, it brings out the next one, displaying output. If I click on enter, it clicks on the next one. This is the second command. Okay, and if I finally click on this, it shuts down. That is for that. Now for color codes is still the same concept because of my notepad, and I'm still going to use that. For example, I'll open that for my output display. Okay, change this to open a batch file, change it from txt to all files. Okay, and then you have this, your output display here. You open it here and you have this. Now I'm going to change all this, take all this down, and one thing to understand, in the color code we have two kinds of colors, monochrome colors, right? And you have the background and the foreground. Okay, so we're looking at the colors like this. For example, the background color for this is black, and the foreground color, or which is your text color, is white. So how do we go about doing all that? Okay, so how do we go about doing all that? And I'll be showing you that in a minute. Okay, so we have the color codes here. So to do that, okay, so to for us to actually do that, we come here to title the colors. So we come here to color, and then we pick the two colors. Okay, so we have the background and the foreground. So the background, I want it to be black, and if I want the green color, it's going to be 2. Now you're wondering, how do I get about the colors? So I'm going to show you quickly using the command prompt how to get about that. Command prompt here, and then we're going to have colors, and then if you don't know anything, you have space / and a question mark, and it's going to bring out the list of colors. So these are the colors we are talking about in the color code. So 0 for black and 2 for green. I want to go back to the matrix. Yeah. So we have that. Okay, and once I've done that, we can go ahead to say pause. Okay, we're going to say pause. So we have that. Okay, so we can save this. and go back and just let it just play. And then if you open this, you can see we're back to the matrix. The color has changed. And if we click on this, now the reason why nothing showed is, let me go to my notepad again to open it, is because we did not, there's no output to display anything. I go to my file, go to open, and change it to all files. And I have this because nothing showed. So to do that, I'm going to come here and I'll put my echo and I'll put welcome to the matrix. Yeah. Welcome to the matrix. Okay, so that is that. I'll save this. And so if I open this now, you see that it's showing welcome to the matrix. Now, if I want this to be paused, I can actually pause it so that if I click on enter, it tells me welcome to the matrix. So to do that, quickly come here to my notepad, because that's the only way you open a batch file. Um, Open, okay, change it to all text, all files, output, yeah. So I can come here to say color code pause, right? And then so if I save this, I go here and I open this. Now watch what happens is pause. If I click on it, it shows you welcome to the matrix. So that is how we go about it. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. It's right here, and do well to give a like. I have some quite some videos here for you to go through, and yeah, it's going to be very interesting. So thank you so much.